Google Store and also Apple Store.
Nothing.
What are some of the issues
Trial number 2.
users are facing with this app? Before delving into that, you guys for watching your
Bro, it's not even a scratch, you kidding me?
TomTomGo navigation app. I'm happy to say that these are
Shall we
one
try
of the
again?
best
Yeah.
videos on the
No,
channel.
now,
Also one of the
from
most
up.
watched ones.
A little
We
bit
have around
higher.
80K for one of them. Right, now let's get to it.
Like
You
this?
just have to do a simple
1 meter.
Google search
It is 1 meter.
and write TomTomGo navigation.
Around here.
Yeah.
Google Play, that should take you to the
Bro, stop the video.
the TomTomGo navigation app.
Two meters
I'm
now.
happy to say that these are one of the best videos on the channel. Also one of the most
You still
watched ones.
doing okay?
We have
Yeah.
around 80K
Yo,
for
what's
one of
what's
them.
happening with this?
Right, now let's get to it. You just have to do a simple Google search and write TomTomGo navigation and then Google Play.
Is
That
it gonna
should
hit the right thing? I'm not sure if I'm on the right
If you want
trajectory.
to check the latest reviews, you will have to scroll down.
I think it worked this time.
You can sort them.
Come closer, let's see the damages.
So I guess
But
it's
it's still
safe to
working.
say it's something is happening. It does. It was working for a second
You may
now.
not trust your swing, but you can
Bro, it's going through the videos.
trust our clubs. Golf Bidder has thousands of quality pre-owned clubs with new stock added daily. We
So he
are
took
a
a hammer,
pre-owned
dropped from like a
thousands of five-star
How much was it?
ratings on Trustpilot.
a meter and a half.
Buying pre-owned is the
First
smart
one,
way.
yeah, about a meter and a half. Shall we do it again?
Yeah.
Smash the other side as well.
Yeah. But this
BP
still
is looking to bring
working.
more lower carbon energy to the UK, like designing 2 hydrogen plants on Teesside. And we're keeping oil going, helping
still
to meet
going.
today's energy needs.
I think it's enough. You think so? Unbreakable, bro.
And not all.
Still
That's
going.
how BP is backing Britain.
Are you serious?
No, it's mad, bro. Should we try again?
One more time, that's it.
Hello and welcome to Hamer Reviews. My name is Christopher Hamer and today we're going to be reviewing the TomTomGo.
That's it.
We closed it. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. And we should see you in another video when we're gonna most probably destroy another phone. Hopefully not. But if we gotta get 1,000 likes, we will. Why not?